Next up, we have thallium. Thallium is deadly, like really, really, really deadly. Its atomic number is 81. It is in the boron group, along with aluminum, gallium, indium, and possibly the synthetic element nihonium. Like the other metals in that group, thallium is quite soft with a Mohs hardness of just 1.2. Melts at about 578 degrees Fahrenheit. It boils at 2,655 degrees Fahrenheit. Thallium is quite dense at 11.85 grams per cubic centimeter. With the exception of hafnium, mercury, and tungsten, the only elements that are more dense than thallium are either precious metals or radioactive. Thallium looks pretty unspectacular in this ampule. If I wasn't collecting elements, I wouldn't want this stuff anywhere near me. It oxidizes rapidly and it can enter the human body through unbroken skin, so the only way to store it is in an ampule such as that one. Even that makes me a bit uneasy, as there's not much glass there. And this little bit of thallium is enough to kill several people. Owing to its toxicity, thallium doesn't have many uses. It was once used as rat poison, but due to how lethal it is to humans, its use has been banned in most countries. Thallium is used in photoelectric cells, and thallium oxide is used to make a couple different kinds of special glass. A thallium-mercury alloy has a much lower melting point than does mercury alone, so it finds use in low-temperature thermometers. Since there's not much use for it, and since it's not the easiest metal to work with due to its softness and how easily it tarnishes in air, only about 10 tons of thallium are refined a year. It's also fairly uncommon, as it is the 60th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, at about 0.6 parts per million. In addition, most of the thallium in the Earth's crust is not economically recoverable. Trace amounts are recovered from heavy metal sulfide ores. Thallium was first isolated in 1862. There's more to thallium than just its use as a poison, but its use remains quite limited for obvious reasons. So, thank you for watching. Now I gotta really carefully put this ampule back and make sure I don't drop it. Have a good one. See you next time.